This tutorial will show you how to add a green screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. If you liked the video, drop a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so to add a green screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, assuming you have it opened, in this case I'm going to drag the video with the green screen on top of our color matte, and as you can see, you want to go to the top left hand screen and click on effects and type right here on the search bar color key, and then under keying, as you can see, color key. If you do not have this, don't worry, just click the drop down arrow under keying and now you have this. Click, hold, and drag on your video layer or clip, and also you want to click this video too if it's not checked, so we have this like so. And then go under to effects control, which should be under effects. If you don't have this, trust me, don't worry, just go to the top screen under window and scroll down until you see effects and effects control and make sure they're both checked. And then once under effects control and you have your green screen video still selected, you want to scroll down until you see color key right here. You want to scroll to the right and click the eyedropper tool right here. And as you can see, once it's selected, scroll to your right under the program window and then click anywhere on the screen. And as you can see now, the color green has been slightly removed. So we go back to color key, under color tolerance, click this and then move this to the right. As you can see, it removed the color green because now all that we see is our red color matte. And then you can re-click the video, you can adjust it accordingly. Edge thin, I like to have this 1. And basically this is what this is. Or should I say this is the before and this is the after. I don't know if you notice a difference. Basically, we just removed the color green in Adobe Premiere Pro CC or green screen effect completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.